Yeah. So, Jason, simply put, we're ADAS specialists. That's what we do. It's what we're known for. That's how we've positioned our business, specifically here in Australia. But if you link it to our parent company, Hella, all your viewers will be familiar with the brand. You know, we're global suppliers of lighting, electronic components, radars. You know, we make millions of radars every year fitted to Mazdas and BMWs and Volkswagens. So, you know, we have that competence. So we've taken that, you know, OE competence as a manufacturer and tier one supplier to the car companies, and we've developed a really clever aftermarket solution that is relatively simple to use, and packaged all that up into becoming what we're known as those ADAS specialists for the for the industry.
Yeah, well, the unique side of things in product development and support always go hand in hand with evolution. And you know, the parent company Hella, I remember when they went from sealed beams to then you can put your bulb inside it. Now you're going to prism beams and all those sort of things. It never stops, but that's what makes it unique.
Correct. So technology is I think running at a pace now that's possibly never been seen since the introduction of the motor vehicle some 120 odd years ago. So, you know, Hella are working with the car companies to come up with these solutions, again, partly being driven by government and lawmakers. And, you know, a big part of our business today is the aftermarket. So we need to have, you know, really easy to use, somewhat cost effective solutions available for the aftermarket.
Maybe that's what makes it so unique, that it is cost effective, it is easy to use, it's not hard. And in a world of other products that are very hard to understand, this sounds very user friendly.
And to add to that, we've got this a function built into our MegaMax diagnostic tool based around navigating around the security firewalls.
Oh, of course.
That the OEMs are
that's a hot topic at the moment.
It's a really hot topic. So, you know, you can imagine that the car companies are doing, you know, investing a lot of money to try and keep the aftermarket locked out of their vehicle. Thankfully, regulators in Europe in particular are working to ensure that doesn't happen.
We haven't had a data breach on cars yet, have we?
No, we haven't.
That's actually good news, though, isn't it?
Yep. So no, these firewalls are incredibly safe.
And you're part of that?
Effective. We are. We're absolutely part of that. But we also have to have a solution that can allow our diagnostic tool to be able to communicate, you know, with the control units, and then to be able to fulfill the calibration.
That just blows my mind, and exciting at the same time, but probably a whole separate conversation for us to have.
It is. Look, and I think finally the last unique part is the competence that we have, particularly here in Australia. We have a team that are dedicated purely to supporting our customers around diagnostic tools and, more importantly, around ADAS calibration. So face-to-face training, followed up by a technical hotline. You know, we are the partner for all things ADAS. Linked back to our parent company, who are still developing, you know, the next best radar and software that drives that. So, you know, we believe, you know, we are the one-stop shop for all things ADAS in Australia.